If you want to create an Apple ID on your MacBook, then keep watching this video. Because in today's tutorial, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process of creating a brand new Apple ID easily and quickly. So without wasting any time, let's begin. Click the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Settings from the drop-down. In the System Settings sidebar, click on Sign In with your Apple ID at the top. On the right side, click Don't Have an Apple ID. Select your day, month, and year of birth. Then, click Next. On the next screen, type in your first name and last name, then click Next. Now, you'll need to enter your email address. If you don't have one, click on Get a free iCloud email address below. Type your desired email address. Note, if the name is taken, you'll see a message in red. Try another one. Next, create a strong and secure password for your new Apple ID and confirm it. On the next page, enter your phone number for verification. A 6-digit code will be sent to your number. Enter that code on the next screen. Once verified, your new Apple ID will automatically start signing in. After a few seconds, you'll be logged in successfully. If your Apple ID doesn't sign in right away, simply close the window. Then go back to the Apple menu and open System Settings again. At the top left, tap on Sign In and enter the new Apple ID you just created. So friends, as you can see, the new Apple ID has been signed in successfully. Now that you're signed in, open the App Store on your MacBook and try installing any application. As soon as you click the Install button, a pop-up notification will appear. In that, click on Review to proceed. A new page will now appear on your screen. First, select the country where you currently live. Then agree to the terms and conditions by checking the box, and click Continue. On the next page, in the Payment Method section, select None if you don't want to add a credit or debit card. Now, enter your billing address details. Start by typing your full name, then enter your street address. After that, type the name of your city, followed by the postal code of your area. Now, enter your phone number, along with the area code. Once you've filled in all the required information, scroll down and click Continue. That's it. Your billing information has been successfully added, and your Apple ID is now fully set up. You can now install any app from the App Store on your Mac without any issues. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching.